Hi all. Today marks the 6th of February. Let's see what we have today per day. First of all, that means we set the MFI indicators, period to 14, and put M30, M15 or M30. Let's trade today for 30 minutes in trend free. This means that we see that the price was in the zone before the purchase. Here our price was going down. Here by increase. That is divergence. So we go to M1 and see. So we would try to trade. Yes, this is the part where we messed up. And even from this candle here. So let's move on to 5 minutes. And so we see that, in principle, today, we were given more than 10%. So, well, round 7 I would give it, plus 7 I would give it. On M15, dance 5. And on M30 it would give, but it would be 0. It would be 0. Well, yes, plus 1 roughly went in like this. What do we see next? There was an entry point along the M30 right here. From this moment we would start looking. From 1430, move to M1, another 1430. With this candle, here we start trade. We reduce it. We see that, in principle, we could go to here. To here somewhere on this candle approximately. Let's move to M5. M5 would give us the maximum plus 6. Or we would still keep the deal. It is already fixed plus 2, 5. According to M15, we would be at 0. It would already be fixed. There would be no loss. On the M30 here, of course, you need to record without loss. If anyone is interested, my trading is how I trade, how I analyze. You write comments and we will discuss with you. I will explain. Tell me what patterns I use, where I go, how I go. That's it. Thank you very much. See you all.